So hey guys, and today we are going to unbox a new Jollibee toy. It is available in the Jollibee right now. I saw it yesterday, and let's go unbox it. So we are going to unbox first this chicken because I just like to. It's my decision, and so I already made a little snip on the bag, so let's go open it. Before this video I actually made a little snip on it, so I won't have a hard time doing it. So let's go open. It's kind of hard, guys, to open it. Seriously, like, bro. So I think this is enough to open because it's really hard. It's a mini version of the Chicken Joy. It's a mini version of it. Guys, do you like my Jollibee lamp? My Lala gave me this. It's from Surigao, guys. It's a country. And it works. Just press Jollibee's hat and then it will work. So, there's little toms too. You can like press it and then it will like grab one of it. I'm going to do this first so it can be scratchy. So let's go. This is the clay. This is the clay, guys. We have still 3 more, so let's go give it a slide before we continue. There's a whole set. Guys, I'm going to put the garbage right here. Okay, guys. I'm going to move it a little so the garbage will be fine. And so, yeah. Wait, how to open this? Look at inside, guys. It looks like a real Chicken Joy. So, I saw a video last night. This thing lights up, bro. Like this thing. If you see this, that means it lights up. And this is going to be the one that's going to turn on, and then it's going to really turn on. Let's go test it first, guys. Hi, so in 3, 2, I go. Guys, it's not working. This thing. Oh wait, guys. So maybe wait. I have to try this again. I think this is going to work. It doesn't light up, guys. Oh, what's this? This thing sucks, guys. Every time if I turn this thing on, it doesn't work. Bro, I really got scammed from Jollibee. So, I think I like McDonald's more because my tita works there and her team is McDonald's. For me, I'm team McDonald's, but I'm still getting Jollibee for sure. So it says Jollibee. How nice! So let's go. It doesn't light up, guys. Just ignore that. So let's go. Oh, open the Play-Doh now. I'm just going to move the Chicken Joy bucket aside. First, I'm going to put it in Jollibee. Guys, you can see it. It's like a little Jollibee eating thing. So we're going to also let Jollibee eat all of these things. So I'm going to let the Play-Doh dry after this video. So yeah. So let's go open. I hope it's not hard enough. Oh. I'm going to put all of the trash in this bag, guys. Guys, the things are located. The Play-Doh and the have trash in this Chicken Joy. Hoy bag has to go in the right bag. The trash of the Chicken Joy. Guys, I think this is harder than I thought, guys. Because I've been waiting so long for Jollibee to change their toy, and they finally did it. Like, bro, oh, it fell. So this is my first time seeing Jollibee change their toy. because I did not know this is going to come up next. So let's go here. It's so smooth. Oh my gosh, so let's go get this. Let's go open the patty. Ready? That is a smooth one. Let's go see if it's scratched, guys. How long you can stretch. It does nothing, guys. So let's go get enough for the, like, I think this is enough. Guys, this is harder than I thought. Let's go put that here. Oh. It's okay if it goes out of the lines, guys, because you can, like, just peel it off. Wait, I think we need one more. We actually need one medium piece. Oops. Let's go put that real quick. I think this is so well done. I love Jollibee. I love Jollibee so much. But my team is McDonald's, guys. Let's go make sure it's like this. It's like a curve. Sorry. And then we're going to like just pinch so it looks like a real curve. Let me just do that. And we are done. So let's go like press it with our tongue. Guys, this is the miniest tongue that I ever seen. This is so cute. This one. Let's go do the same for the other side, guys. It's so well done. Bro, this thing is keep on falling. Bro, my table always moves, guys. The play table. Oh, I think we need to get a new table soon, guys. So I don't think we're going to get a new table soon because we're never going to move from this house. Bro, when I was a baby, I really spend a whole night with me. When my parents really like buy this house for me. So I have good luck, guys. I have so much luck. So let's go now close it. Oops, guys. The plastic fell, so I have to pick it up. Let's go put this aside first. I will just put it in the trash. I don't care if it's still full or something. It's really like that. So let's go close it in 3, 2, I go. Wait, I'll show you the chickens first before we close it. I think this is the realistic because like it looks like a chicken. For this, it just looks like nothing. It looks like a sun. Sorry, guys. I think next we're going to do the burger. We're going to do next is the burger, guys. So yeah, I'm trying to press it. Guys, how to stand up? How to stand up, guys? Guys, I think it's. Let me check. Guys, I think it's not done yet, so we have to top it with my scissors. That's kind of loud. So, I will 10 seconds, okay? The countdown for our Jollibee in 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time's up. So let's go open it. I think it needs to be tighter more. I think that's it. And 3, 2, and go. Wait, guys. Bro, this thing is ugly. It doesn't even look real. Bro, it's peeling off now. Let's go put this in the clay, guys. Let's go put it in the clay after we all peel it. all off. Let's go peel, 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 and done. This is the peeling, guys. Probably I don't like to make a third one because I'm too lazy to. So yeah, I want to peel the other one as well. I hope it doesn't tear, guys. The chicken, this chicken. If it does tear, I have to close it all over again. I have to press. It's like hard. It's made of plastic and stuff. It's hard. It's made like from cement. You can't really break cement when it's really dry, or bricks. Oops, it fell. Guys, let's go see if it's open now. Oh wait, maybe it will open when we put the chickens both in. Okay. Wait, you hold it by the tail. I will show you before I peel it off. It looks real, diba, guys? Let's go peel this edge off. And holy smokes, this thing is so real. Guys, I'll show you it. Oh my gosh. I'll just put it now in the table. I'll try to. Wait, no. Leave with our hands, guys. Okay, let's go put it back in the. It's hard, guys. It's really hard. Oh my god, guys, this thing is going insane. Let's go now put it. I'm going to use the tongs for that to happen because I don't like my hands to get sticky. Gosh. Guys, I'll show you it now. I'm just going to fix it. This looks actually real. Papara! No! Guys, let's keep on flipping over. Wait. Okay, let's go turn it on. Guys, I'll tell you something. It doesn't really light up, but that's okay. And we are almost done seasoning. Wait a minute, guys. I'm trying to turn it on. Bro, this thing doesn't work. I think it's done seasoning. Let's go take this thing and put it in the bowl. Oh my gosh, guys. I can't believe it. Wait, what's this? I think we're going to do the French fries next. I'm going to move these. The easy ones first and the hards next. Oh my god! I can't believe this is a chicken. Sorry, let's keep on moving. This is going to be so great. We're going to put it beside Jollibee now. Do you see it eating? So we're going to put that in the middle. We're going to put this aside first, guys. Guys, we're going to put it here. Here. We're going to put it on the front, guys. I don't know where to put it. We're just